What's the meaning of apologetically? Apologetically. Apologetically.
Apologetically. Apologetically. Apologetically is an adverb used to describe somebody who is expressing regret or offering an apology. The word comes from the Greek apologia, meaning defense or justification. When used in a sentence, apologetically conveys a sense of remorse or contrition. It can be used to soften the impact of a negative statement or to express regret for one's actions. For example, a person might say, "I'm sorry, but I can't make it to the party tonight," apologetically to show that they feel bad about disappointing the host but can't attend nonetheless.